If you're someone who doesn't even want to change your life, leave this video right now. I already know the people who truly want to change will stay till the end, whether the video entertains them or not. Because deep down, you're tired of feeling weak in your own mind. Tired of waking up motivated for 10 minutes and quitting by noon. Tired of seeing versions of yourself in your head that your real life never becomes. And nobody around you notices it. You laugh. You scroll. You act normal. But there's this quiet war happening inside you every single day. You know it too. Testosterone 3.0 isn't about becoming some loud fake alpha online. Nobody talks about this. Real masculinity doesn't scream. It survives. You were told comfort would make you happy, but look at you now. Addicted to distraction. Dopamine fried. Attention span destroyed. You can't even sit alone with your thoughts for 5 minutes without grabbing your phone. And that's the scary part. Because the war isn't outside anymore. It's inside your bedroom at 2 a.m. when you promise yourself tomorrow will be different, and secretly know it probably won't. Pause and think about that. How many times have you restarted your life in your own head? That version of you who's disciplined, respected, dangerous, calm. He only exists for a few minutes every night before sleep. Then morning comes, and you disappear again. But here's what nobody tells young men. Discipline is not built when life feels good. It's forged when your mind begs you to quit, and you move anyway. That's why weak times create dangerous people. Pain changes you. Isolation changes you. Rejection changes you. The gym didn't save you because of muscles. Cold showers didn't save you because of dopamine. The pain saved you because for the first time in your life, you stopped running from yourself. That's the part people don't say out loud. You weren't lazy. You were emotionally exhausted from fighting battles nobody could see. Fighting insecurity. Fighting comparison. Fighting the version of yourself you hate becoming. And maybe the hardest truth is this: some of you don't even want happiness anymore. You just want peace inside your own head. Comment discipline if you've ever felt that and never told anybody. Because most people watching this are silently losing wars they joke about online. Another scary truth? Your future is being decided by the things you do when nobody is watching. Not your dreams. Not your edits. Not your playlists. Your habits. The small choices. The nights you almost quit but didn't. Testosterone 3.0 is born in war. Not violence. Internal war. The war between comfort and purpose. Between who you are and who you know you could become. Pause and think. What if your pain was never destroying you? What if it was introducing you to yourself? Because one day you're going to realize the strongest version of you was never hiding in motivation. He was hiding inside every moment you wanted to give up, but stayed. And when that version finally wakes up, your entire life changes quietly. Not loudly. Quietly. Like a man who no longer needs to prove anything. Because he survived himself.